The Excel menu ribbon is a strip of buttons and tabs at the top of the Excel interface. It contains all the main commands and features of Excel, organized into different tabs according to their function. Here's a breakdown of the different components of the Excel menu ribbon. Tabs. The tabs are the main organizational components of the Excel menu ribbon. Each tab is labeled with a different category of functions, such as Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, and View. Clicking on a tab will display a different set of commands and options on the ribbon. Groups. Within each tab, the functions are further organized into groups. Each group has a label and contains a set of related commands. For example, the Home tab has groups for clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, and cells. Commands. The commands are the individual buttons, drop-down menus, and text boxes that perform specific functions within Excel. Each command has a label and an icon, and can be activated by clicking on it with the mouse. Dialog box launchers. Some groups have a small icon in the lower right corner that looks like a diagonal arrow. This is called the dialog box launcher, and clicking on it will open a separate dialog box with additional options and settings for that group. Contextual tabs. In addition to the main tabs, Excel also has contextual tabs that appear when certain objects or features are selected. For example, when a chart is selected, a Chart Tools tab will appear with groups for design, layout, and format. These tabs contain commands and options specific to the selected object or feature. By understanding the different components of the Excel menu ribbon, you can quickly access the commands and features you need to work efficiently and effectively with your data.